Smoke rings are a mesmerizing phenomenon that can add a touch of elegance to your barbecue creations. By exploring the world of smoke rings, you will learn how they enhance the visual appeal of your dishes, making them more enticing to both the eyes and taste buds. Understanding the science behind smoke rings and their formation can elevate your grilling game to a whole new level, impressing your guests and creating a memorable dining experience. The type of wood chips you use in your smoker plays a crucial role in the formation of perfect smoke rings on your grill. Different wood varieties impart unique flavors and aromas to your barbecue dishes, enhancing the overall taste profile. By learning about the different types of wood chips available and their specific characteristics, you can elevate the quality of smoke produced during the grilling process, resulting in beautifully formed smoke rings that add depth and complexity to your creations. Achieving the perfect smoke ring on your barbecue creations heavily relies on mastering the art of temperature control in your smoker. Consistent and precise temperature regulation is essential to create the ideal conditions for smoke ring formation. Understanding the impact of temperature fluctuations on the smoking process will help you achieve a desirable smoke ring that signifies expertly cooked dishes. By delving into the significance of maintaining the right temperature throughout the smoking duration, you can unlock the secret to producing visually appealing and flavorful barbecue masterpieces. Creating mesmerizing smoke rings involves mastering a variety of techniques that can enhance your barbecue skills. Exploring methods such as the smoke kiss technique can help you achieve intricate and well-defined smoke rings on your grilled dishes. By understanding the nuances of airflow, heat distribution, and timing in smoke ring formation, you can elevate the visual appeal and presentation of your barbecue creations. Delving into these techniques opens up a world of creativity and finesse in the art of smoking, allowing you to impress your guests with visually stunning and delicious dishes. Enhancing the visual appeal of your barbecue dishes extends beyond just the cooking process. Presentation plays a crucial role. Learning how to elegantly plate your dishes with beautifully formed smoke rings can leave a lasting impression on your guests and elevate the overall dining experience. By mastering presentation techniques that highlight the intricate patterns and aromas of the smoke rings, you can create a feast for both the eyes and the palate. Discover how attention to detail and plating can transform a simple barbecue dish into a work of art that delights all the senses.